Hello, my shining stars. So today we are doing class 3 Learn and Solve Maths by Children Voice publication. So let's start. Chapter 9 Metric Measure. The system of measuring length, weight and capacity using certain standard units is known as the metric system of the measurement. The standard units are also known as metric units of measurement. Let us revise whatsoever we have learnt in the previous classes. See, warm up the first one, filling the blanks. A part, 100 centimeter equals to how many meter? 1 meter. And 1000 gram, how many kg? 1 kg. The second one, check the correct answer. A part, for measuring the length of car, we shall use the unit meter, kilogram or centimeter. So we have to use meter because centimeter for smaller things, meter for larger things. The second one, which of the following is not the standard unit of measuring length? Meter, centimeter or square unit? Square unit is the unit of area, not the length. The C part, which of the following is measured in liter? लीटर में हम किसको मेजर करते हैं? कैपेसिटी, लेंथ और वेट. कैपेसिटी. Okay, measurement of length. In the previous class we have learnt about the use of non-standard units of measurement like fingers, handspan, cubit, pace, etc. in measuring the length of different objects such as chalk stick, a table, a room and a playground. So, fingers are used for measuring very short lengths, keeping the fingers closed. Now, here handspans are used for measuring short lengths like spreading out fingers like this. And then cubits are used for measuring bigger lengths, cubit. Okay. Then paces are used for measuring large distances using feet, right? Now, standard units of length. The standard units of length is meter. Large distances are measured in kilometer. Small distances are measured in centimeter and very small lengths are measured in millimeter. So, assessment 1, the first one, measure the length of given objects to the nearest centimeter. You can take help from your teacher like color box, lunch box, sharpener. You can measure its length. Now the second one, write the appropriate unit meter, centimeter or kilometer to measure the following like length of car. So meter, length of biggest lake, that is kilometer. Right? Now conversion of units of length, conversion of bigger units to smaller units. To convert kilometer to meter, we multiply the given number by 1000 or put 3 zeros to the right of the number. See example, convert 9 kilometer to meter. So 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter, 9 kilometer equals to 9 into 1000, 9000 meter. Convert 8 किलोमीटर 530 मीटर इंटू मीटर. तो 8 किलोमीटर को हम मीटर में कन्वर्ट कर देंगे. 8 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1000, ये बन जाएगा 8000 एंड 530 एज इट इज, दोनों को ऐड कर देंगे. 8530 मीटर. Now convert meter to centimeter. We multiply the given number by 100 or put 2 zeros to the right of the number. So convert 16 meter to centimeter. We know 1 meter में 100 centimeter. So 16 meter, 16 multiply by 100, 1600 centimeter. B part, convert 5 meter 35 centimeter to centimeter. So 5 meter, 5 into 100 plus 35. So 500 plus 35, 535 centimeter. From the above examples, we observe the following. To convert bigger into smaller, we multiply. Now conversion of smaller units to bigger units. अगर हमें कन्वर्ट करना है सेंटीमीटर को मीटर में So divide the given centimeter by 100. C, convert 500 centimeter to meter. Divide by 100. Answer is 5 meter. The next is convert 625 centimeter into meter. Divide by 100. 6 meter 25 centimeter. Now to convert meter to kilometer, divide the given by 1000. So what to do? Like 7000 मीटर को किलोमीटर में कन्वर्ट करना है तो 7000 को हम 1000 से डिवाइड कर देंगे. आंसर इज 7 किलोमीटर. Now convert 3873 meter to kilometer. Divide by 1000. So 3 kilometer 873 meter. So to convert centimeter into meter, simply make the last two digits as centimeter and remaining as meter. Okay. Now from the above example, we observe the following rule. To convert smaller to bigger units, we divide. Now for converting 3873 meter to kilometer, the last three digits represent meter and the remaining digits represent kilometer. So 3 kilometer 873 meter. Now assessment 2. The first one, convert meter into centimeter. C part 25 meter. Meter yani bigger to smaller. So 25 multiply by 100 centimeter. 2500 centimeter. So remaining parts you can try. The second one, convert meter and centimeter into centimeter. Like 20 meter 5 centimeter. So 20 multiply by 100 centimeter plus 5 centimeter. So this is 2000 plus 5. 2005 centimeter. Similarly, we can try remaining parts. The third one, convert kilometer into meter. Bigger to smaller means multiply. So like B part 14 kilometers. So 14 into 1000 meter. 14,000 meter. Right? Remaining parts you can try. The fourth, convert kilometer and meter into meter. Like 2 kilometer 890 meter. So 2000 meter plus 890 meter. So answer is 2890 meter. Now similarly you can try remaining parts. Now fifth question, convert centimeter into meter. Centimeter को मीटर में कैसे convert करेंगे? Divide by 100. So 580 centimeter. So last two digits centimeter and remaining is meter. So 5 meter 80 centimeter. Similarly here like 1275 centimeter. Last two digit centimeter और बाकी के digits meter. Right? Now similarly sixth, convert meter into kilometer means divide by 1000. So like here C part 9137 meter. The last three digit meter and remaining kilometer. So 9 kilometer 137 meter. Now addition and subtraction of measure of length. Addition and subtraction of length is similar to the addition and subtraction of ordinary numbers. Like example first, add 12 meter 49 centimeter and 42 meter 57 centimeter. So step 1, write the lengths to be added in meter and centimeter columns as shown. तो मीटर और सेंटीमीटर का हम कॉलम बनाएंगे. Write the numbers 12 meter 49 centimeter, then 42 meter 57 centimeter. Now add the centimeter first and then add meter. तो पहले हम सेंटीमीटर को ऐड करेंगे. So if need arises, carry over to meter column. अगर कैरी जाएगा तो हम मीटर भी कैरी लेकर जा सकते हैं. So 9 और 7 16 6 here 1 carry, 4 5 9 and 1 10 0 here 1 carry, 2 2 4 and 1 5, 4 plus 1, 5. Answer is 55 meter 6 centimeter. Now the second one, subtract 23 meter 68 centimeter from 54 meter 27 centimeter. Step 1, write the lengths to be subtracted in meter and centimeter columns. Okay. Now step 2, subtract the centimeter first and then subtract the meter. If need arises, borrow from the meter column. So see the centimeter 7 minus 8 करेंगे, not possible. So borrow करेंगे 17, it becomes 1. 17 minus 8, 9. And this is 1. 1 minus 6, not possible. So borrow करेंगे यहाँ से, it becomes 11 minus 6, 5. And this is 3. 3 minus 3, 0. Now 5 minus 2, 3. So this is 30 meter 59 centimeter is the answer. Now assessment 3. Question number 1, solve the following. Like B part, 47 meter 32 centimeter and 28 meter 68 centimeter. So add centimeter first. 8 plus 2, 10. 0 here, 1 carry. 6, 3, 9 and 1, 10. 0, 1 carry. 8, 7, 15 and 1, 16. 6 here, 1 carry. 4 and 1, 5 and 2, 7. So similarly, you can try remaining parts. ऐसे second question है, add the following by arranging in columns. Like here, D part, 354 meter 35 centimeter, 76 meter 28 centimeter, 8 meter 7 centimeter. Now write it carefully. So 354 meter 35 centimeter, 76 meter 28 centimeter, 8 meter, so 8 here, and 7 centimeter. So you will write 07, not 70. वो बन जाएगा 70. So 07. Now add centimeter first. 5 and 8, 13 and 7, 20. 2 carry. This is 7. Now add meter. 4, 6, 10 and 8, 18. 1 here, 7, 5, 12 and 1, 13, 3 here, 1 carry, 3 and 1, 4. So 438 meter and 70 centimeter. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now we are talking about word problems. Deepu purchased 4 meter 20 centimeter cloth for the suit, 2 meter 60 centimeter cloth for the shirt, and 3 meter 10 centimeter cloth for the trousers. So calculate the total length of the cloth purchased by Deepu. So meter and centimeter column बनाएंगे. Length of the cloth for suit, for shirt, for trousers. Write the numbers according to meter and centimeter. Now add all. Answer is 9 meter 90 centimeter. Now example 2. Raju's house is 7 kilometer 350 meter far from his school and his friend Rita's house is 5 kilometer 208 meter far from the school. By how much is Raju's house farther from the school than that of Rita's? So distance of Raju's house from school, write in kilometer and meter. Distance of Rita's house from the school, write in kilometer and meter. How much, यानी हमें कंपेयर करना है, यानी माइनस कर देंगे, दोनों को माइनस कर देंगे. आंसर इज 2 kilometer 142 meter. So Raju house is 2 kilometer 142 meter farther from the school than that of Rita. Now assessment 4, question number 1, solve the following. Mr. Soni on a trip traveled 475 kilometer by a train, 56 kilometer 975 meter by a car and 3 kilometers 720 meter by scooter. So what is the total distance he covered? So we can try this one. Now B and C part you can try on your own. Now multiplication and division of measures of length. Multiplication of units of length is done as multiplication of ordinary numbers. We just write the number under respective columns and multiply. If need arises, we carry from right column to the left column. Like here, multiply 6 meter 30 centimeter by 5. So what to do? Write it like this: meter centimeter 630 multiply by 5. So 5 zeros are 0, 5 threes are 15, 5 here, 1 carry, 5 six are 30 plus 1, 31. So 31 meter 50 centimeter is the answer. Now division of the units of length is done as division of ordinary numbers. Observe these examples. Example 1, divide 8 meter 48 centimeter by 4. So write it like this, 8 48 by 4, 4 2s are 8, so 2 meter. Now centimeter part starts, so 4 1s are 4, 1 here, 4 2s are 8. So this is 2 meter 12 centimeter. Similarly, example 2, divide 3 kilometer 330 meter by 3. So kilometer and meter के columns बना लेंगे, 3 1s are 3, okay. Then 0 here. Now start meter part. 3 1s are 3, 1 here. Then 3 1s are 3, 1 here, and then 0. So 1 kilometer 110 meter is the answer. Now assessment 5. The first one, multiply the following, like B part, 5 meter 30 centimeter by 7. So meter and centimeter column, 5 meter 30 multiply by 7. So how we can do? जैसे ordinary numbers में करते हैं, 7 zeros are 0, 7 threes are 21, 1 here, 2 carry, 7 fives are 35 and 2 37. So 37 meter 10 centimeter. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now come to next, measuring of weight. Weight is used to convey the same meaning, that is how heavy or light an object is. The unit used for measuring weight are kg, kilogram and gram. So in short, we write kilogram as kg, k and g, and gram as g, gram. The standard unit for measuring weight is kilogram. Kilogram is used to measure bigger quantities and the lighter objects are measured in gram. 1 kg equals to 1000 gram. Okay. Now some of the standard weights used for measuring weight are given below, like 50 gram, 100 gram, 200 gram, 500 gram, 1 kg, and this is 2 kg. Now conversion of units of weight to convert kg to gram. How to do? We multiply by 1000. Example, convert 5 kg into gram. So 1 kg 1000 gram, 5 kg 5 into 1000, 5000 gram. Okay. B part, convert 8 kg to gram. So 8 multiplied by 1000, 8000 gram. C part, convert 5 kg 350 gram into gram. So 5 kg means 5 into 1000 plus 350. So 5000 plus 350, that is 5350 gram. So shortcut to convert kg to gram, add 3 zeros to the right of the given number. Now to convert gram into kilogram, smaller to bigger, it means divide by 1000. So convert gram into kg. A part 6000 gram, divide by 1000, you will get 6 kg. B part 7870 gram. So last के 3 digit represent करेंगे gram को and the remaining digit represent kg. So this is gram, this is kg. So 7 kg 870 gram. So here shortcut to convert gram into kg, simply remove 3 zeros from the right side and write kg with the remaining number. And to convert gram into kg and gram, simply separate the last 3 digits as gram and the rest of the digits as kilogram, like this example we have done. Now assessment 6 here. The first one, filling the blanks, A part 7 kg. So what to do? 7 multiply by 1000. It becomes 7000 gram. 8 kg. 8 multiply by 1000 gram, 8000 gram. The second, convert the following into grams, like B part 5 kg 500 gram. So 5000 gram plus 500 gram. This becomes 5500 gram, right? Similarly, C part 8 kg 359 gram. So 8 kg means 8000 gram plus 359 gram as it is. So what is the answer? 8359 gram. The third, convert the following into kg and gram. So like B part 4005 gram. So last 3 digit represents gram. So 5 gram and the rest digit kg. So 4 kg 5 gram. ऐसे ही C part है, last 3 digit 320 gram and 8 kg. So I hope this is clear to you. Now addition and subtraction of measure of weight, like example 1. Add 13 kg 318 gram and 15 kg 720 gram. So what to do? Step 1, arrange the numbers in kg and gram column. Kg, gram, write the numbers. Now start adding. So first add gram and then add kg. So simply जैसे हम numbers को add करते हैं, so this is the value, right? Remember, there will be 3 digits in gram column, okay? Because 1 kg में 1000 gram है, so we take 3 digits in gram. Now example 2, subtract 2 kg 300 gram from 7 kg 500 gram. Arrange the numbers. So 7 kg 500 gram minus 2 kg 300 gram. So first subtract gram. So minus कर देंगे, 0 minus 0 0, 0 minus 0 0, 5 minus 3 2, 7 minus 2 5, 5 kg 200 gram. I hope this is very much clear to you. Now assessment 7, based on this type of example. See, first question, add the following, like B part kg and gram. So here add gram first. So 0 plus 0 0, 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 3 11, 1 here, 1 carry to the kg column, 4 1 and 1 6. So 6 kg 180 gram. Similarly, you can try C part. The second one, subtract the following, like B part 90 kg 570 gram minus 42 kg 60 gram. So 0 minus 0 0, 7 minus 6 1, 5 minus 0 5. Now 0 minus 2 not possible, borrow करेंगे 9 से, 10 बन जाएगा, ये बन जाएगा 8, 10 minus 2 8, 8 minus 4 4. This is the answer. Similarly, you can try third question and fourth question. Now we are talking about word problems. Example 1, Sonu bought 15 kg 400 gram of sugar, 24 kg 350 gram of rice and 18 kg 350 gram of flour. So find the total weight of the things he bought. So make the columns kg and gram, weight of sugar, weight of rice, weight of flour. So write the weights. Now add gram, then add kg. So what is the answer? 58 kg 100 gram. Now example 2, Sumit had 38 kg 350 gram of onions in his shop. He sold 10 kg 840 gram. So how much is left with him? Left means subtraction. So total weight 38 kg 350 gram. Weight of onion sold 10 kg 840 gram. दोनों को कर देंगे minus. Answer is 27 kg 510 gram. Now assessment 8, solve the following. A part 14 kg 500 gram of white paint is mixed with 12 kg 300 gram of red paint. So find the combined weight of both the paint. So what to do? Add these two. ऐसे आप B part try करेंगे. Now multiplication and division of measures of weight. Observe the given example. Example 1, multiply 5 kg 200 gram by 3. Simple multiplication. Arrange in columns kg and gram. 5 kg 200 gram multiply by 3. 3 zeros are 0, 3 zeros are 0, 3 2s are 6, then 3 5s are 15. So this is the answer. ऐसे ही now example 2, divide 6 kg 300 gram by 5. So kg and gram के column बना लेंगे. So first 6 kg, 5 1s are 5 here. then subtraction 1 here, now 3, bring down 13 बन जाएगा. Now gram part starts, so it will be down the gram. So 5 2s are 10, now minus 3 here, 5 6 are 30 and 0 left, so 0 here. So 1 kg 260 gram. So assessment 9, see the first one, multiply the following, like B part 5 kg 180 gram by 6. So what to do? Kg, gram, 5 180 multiply by 6. So 6 zeros are 0, 6 8s are 48, 6 1s are 6 and 4 10. 1 here, 6 5s are 30 and 1, 31 kg 80 gram. Okay, now measurement of capacity. You know, capacity of a container means volume of liquid it can hold. Liter is a standard unit of measuring capacity. You know, 1 liter equals to 1000 milliliter. लीटर को हम लिखेंगे L से और मिलीलीटर ml. Liter is used to measure bigger quantity, milk, petrol, kerosene, etc. These are measured in liters. And liquids in small quantities are measured in milliliters. For example, an eye drop holds about 1 ml of liquid. A teaspoon holds about 5 milliliter of liquid, right? Now conversion of units of capacity, conversion of liter to milliliter. To convert liter to milliliter, what to do? Multiply by 1000. See example, convert 8 liter to milliliter. You know 1 liter 1000 milliliter. So 8 liter means 8 multiply by 1000, 8000 milliliter. Now B part, convert 3 liter 750 ml to milliliter. So you know 3 liter means 3 multiply by 1000 and 750 milliliter as it is. So 3000 plus 750 दोनों को ऐड कर देंगे. This is the value, right? Now conversion of milliliter to liter. अब हमें smaller to bigger करना है तो divide by 1000. See example, convert 6000 milliliter to liter. Divide by 1000 कर देंगे. Answer is 6 liter. Now convert 8640 milliliter to liter. So last 3 digit represents milliliter and the rest liter. So 8 liter 640 milliliter. Assessment 10, question number 1, choose liter or milliliter to measure each of the following. Like water in a swimming pool, ज़्यादा quantity है तो liter. Diesel in a truck, liter. Water in the bottle of a baby, so this can be milliliter. Quantity of cough syrup in a small bottle, milliliter. Now the second one, convert into milliliter. Like here B part 43 liter. So 43 liter means 43 multiply by 1000. So 43,000 milliliter, right? Similarly D part 4 liter 820 ml. So 4000 plus 820. So 4820 ml is the answer. Now the third one, convert the following into liter and milliliter. Like C part 8125 milliliter. Last 3 digit milliliter and the remaining is liter. Okay. The fourth one, filling the blanks. Like here C part 20 liter equals to dash multiply by dash milliliter. It means 20 multiply by 1000. So this is 20,000 milliliter. Okay. ऐसे D part है 18 liter 150 milliliter equals to 18 multiply by 1000 milliliter and 150 milliliter. So similarly E part 3000 milliliter. So 3000 divided by 1000. This is 3 liter. Okay. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now we are talking about addition and subtraction of measures of capacity. Example 1, add 8 liter 320 milliliter and 6 लीटर 610 मिलीलीटर। तो लीटर और मिलीलीटर के कॉलम्स बना लेंगे. राइट द नंबर्स, एड मिलीलीटर, what we are getting 930 and liter 14. So 14 liter 930 milliliter. Now example 2, subtract 12 liter 500 milliliter from 19 liter 680 milliliter. Same, make the columns liter and milliliter. Write the numbers and do the subtraction. So this is the answer. I hope this is clear to you. Now assessment 11, question number 1. Solve the following like B part, liter and milliliter. So add milliliter first. 0 plus 0, 0. 6 plus 8, 14. 4 here, 1 carry. 2, 1, 1. This is 4. Now add liter. 4 and 7, 11. 1 here, 1 carry. Now 4 and 2, 6 and 1, 7, 5 and 3, 8. So this is the answer. ऐसे second question है, solve the following like B part 62 liter 180 milliliter plus 56 liter 320 milliliter. So liter, milliliter, 62 liter 180, 56 liter 320, दोनों को add कर देंगे. I hope this is clear to you. The next is word problems. Example 1. If one jar has 6 liter 240 milliliter and another jar has 6 liter 350 milliliter of orange juice, what is the total quantity? दोनों को ऐड कर देंगे. This is the answer. Example 2. There is 20 liter 500 milliliter water in a bucket. Sakshi takes out 7 liter 250 milliliter water from it. How much water is left? Means subtraction. So total quantity and water taken out. So write the numbers, do the subtraction. This is the answer. Okay. Now assessment 12. Solve these. A part, a water tank has a capacity of 80 liter 900 milliliter and the tank has a capacity 30 liter. By how much is the capacity of that second tank more than the first one? तो दोनों को हम कर देंगे minus. Okay. So similarly you can try remaining parts. Now aptitude reasoning, you can try these one. Second one, filling the boxes. I hope the concept is very much clear to you. So thank you for watching this video. Stay connected with us for more videos. Stay happy, stay blessed.